Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable MySQL strict mode for legacy apps, beginner guide step by step clearly. To disable MySQL strict mode for legacy applications, start by accessing your MySQL server. Open your MySQL configuration file. The location of this file can vary based on your operating system. On Linux systems, it is typically found at /etc/my.cnf or /etc/mysql/my.cnf. On Windows, you can find it in the MySQL installation directory, often labeled as my.ini. Use a text editor to open the configuration file. Locate the MySQLD section within the file. If this section is not present, you can create it. Add the following line beneath the MySQLD section, SQL_mode equals. This line clears the default SQL mode settings, including strict mode. Save the changes you made to the configuration file. Next, restart your MySQL server for the changes to take effect. On Linux, you can do this by executing the command sudo system to restart MySQL. On Windows, you can restart MySQL through the Services panel. Once your server restarts, log into your MySQL shell. To verify that strict mode has been disabled, run the command, selected at SQL_mode. The output should show an empty string if strict mode is successfully disabled. Now, your legacy application should operate without the constraints of strict mode. Remember, disabling strict mode may introduce risks related to data integrity, so proceed with caution. That concludes the steps for disabling MySQL strict mode for legacy applications. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.